Hi everyone, I'm Mike Dady, Senior Application Engineer at GoEngineer. Material costs remain one of the most volatile variables in cabinet manufacturing. While many shops focus on buying faster machines or adding labor to increase throughput, one of the largest opportunities for savings sits earlier in the process: how parts are nested before they ever reach the CNC. SWOOD nesting is a practical tool that helps cabinet manufacturers consistently reduce sheet usage, improve machining efficiency, and gain better control over production. Let's see how we can stop burning cash by using smarter nesting processes in SWOOD. In many cabinet shops, nesting is either handled by basic CAM software or done manually with limited automation. The result is often inefficient, and even small inefficiencies add up. Saving a few square feet per sheet doesn't sound dramatic until it's multiplied across hundreds or thousands of sheets per year. SWOOD nesting is built specifically for woodworking and panel-based manufacturing. Rather than forcing cabinet makers to adapt to generic nesting logic, it reflects how real shops work, automatically arranging parts to maximize sheet utilization while respecting critical constraints. It looks for opportunities to tuck smaller parts inside the voids of larger ones. This part-in-part logic is often where the cash fire prevention begins. Another time-saving capability is batch optimization. Instead of nesting one cabinet at a time, SWOOD nesting can process entire batches. This allows the software to find efficiencies across multiple jobs, often where the biggest material savings are found. SWOOD nesting also uses strategies that are tied directly to tool selection, cutting order, and machine behavior. Strategies like stay-down contours means fewer air moves, cleaner cut paths, and reduced cycle times, all while preserving sheet integrity. Another intelligent cash-saving option in SWOOD nesting allows remnants, or offcuts, to be tracked and reused automatically. Over time, this alone can significantly reduce the number of new sheets pulled from inventory. When SWOOD nesting is implemented properly, many cabinet manufacturers see material savings approaching or exceeding 20%, especially when replacing manual or lightly automated nesting workflows. Once again, I am Mike Dady, Senior Application Engineer at GoEngineer. I hope you enjoyed learning how SWOOD nesting can help you stop burning cash with smarter nesting strategies.